Right, Matthew knows where Jollibee is now and he gets excited. He's pointing. I wish they brought some money with me now. I took him for a Jollibee.
Later.
Yeah, later on. We'll come back later. So, this karaoke place is down here and I've just got a funny feeling because before I left, he lifted where the buttons are on the karaoke, putting the numbers in. He lifted it up and he pointed to the wiring underneath. And I'm saying to Mel, I didn't understand what he was trying to say. I hope he's not saying that's extra, because then we're getting into stupid money area that I can't afford. I'm only doing this because of Ma. We have so many parties here, guys. It makes more sense to have a proper karaoke.
It's boring if there's no video.
Yeah. Well, I call it karaoke, video. Yeah, it's probably the right one, isn't it? Huh? I'm not sure what to do, Mel. It's no good you... No, come on, let's go together. Because if he says it's stupid...
No, he said, I'm gonna ask again how much you think, no?
Well, there's a girl there and she didn't know anything. I had to talk to the guy, but his English is not good. Or at least I don't believe it's good. Because, whatever. So what we're doing then? Come on, just go together, because he said a price now. And this seems to be about the best place here anyway. Just say we're just making sure that...
Which one will you speak?
This guy here.
But I'm gonna ask again.
Right, just make sure that the price is quoted is the price we're paying.
Ate, magkano pag-install? I mean, ano yung ilalaag, yung kumbaga, mabakal kami, mapapagibo kami.
I'm forgetting the camera's going.
Symbol. The labor is 2.5.
Yeah.
Tapos meron ng 2.5. Dahil, mabakal nito. Tapos sa ito. Sa ito. Tapos ang samuya lang yung amplifier sa may CD. Ang pakakulang. Yung pakakuha lang siya lang. Ay, 7.5. Ay, bayan natin. Ate said, if you buy this, just the box, 7.5.
What do you mean, just the box, Mel?
Not include the ano.
There's no speakers in it.
Not include. 7.5, not include the speaker. You need to buy. Ate said.
7,500. There's no speakers or anything in it.
No speakers.
Told you, didn't I?
Pag may speaker na
16,000. Come on, what's that? Oh, I knew it. I knew it. No, I did ask. I said, I pointed to it and I said, look, this how it is, with the speakers and everything in, as it is. How much? 7.5. Right? And then he lifted this up and pointed to the switches underneath and said, you want that? And it's, yeah, of course I want that. And I said, how much labour to put ours in? And he said 2,500. But when he lifted that up, I got suspicious. And now, you'll not believe this, guys, but I've gone and give Edward my speakers.
You can get it
and the TV stand. I've gone and caused myself some real problems here, because 16,000, that's ridiculous, because that means that's not even with an amplifier and the DVD player in, which I've had to buy a new DVD player. The amplifier's fine, and if you put them on the cost, we're getting near the cost as if we just bought one.
18,500. Let's say, 16, right? The box. And
Yeah.
then the labor is 2,500. So
2,500.
18,500.
500. Then there's the price of the DVD player I've just had to buy because the other one broke. So put that on top. That's another 6,500. So what's that? 18. What did you say? 18,000. So that's 24,000, 25,000.
It's better to buy na lang yung...
You might as well just buy it with everything in. I ain't got that money, man. I'm a bit annoyed with myself now and all. Why didn't I wait? I should have waited before I give Edward that stuff.
Exactly. Because you're being excited, that's why.
Yeah, I was excited. Because I've let my mum down now as well, Ma. Because she's getting excited because I said in the next 3 days we're getting a karaoke. Now we ain't. We've got half a karaoke.
Oh, I'm gonna, you're talking about the video again, some are subscribers, they're gonna, I will get you begging money again.
No, we're not begging money, so... yeah.
That always happen, right? Every time we're talking about something, like, like involve the money, our subscribers, some of subscribers, they comment, why you always begging money, blah, blah, blah.
Well, not our main subscribers. That's been with us a long time. It's new ones, and normally 9 times out of 10 they're not even subscribed. But I just delete and block them when they say stuff like that.
Okay, sit down there.
So we're in a bit of a pickle, and it's my fault. Hey, that's new, isn't it? It'd been my fault.
Yeah, because yesterday I gonna tell to you about why you need to give it not to Edward.
Because
away.
he only had the van yesterday. He didn't have the van after yesterday.
Yeah, but we're not clear yet about the video.
I know, babe, but I was sure at that point I'd understood right.
So what we were gonna do
What we're gonna do?
It's okay, you can tell to Edward that we have there's a problem, trouble.
No, I can't do that to Edward. I've given them. He's my best friend. I'm not gonna take them back just because I'm an idiot. So that was a bit stupid of me, guys. That's a big mistake, isn't it? Oh dear.
Sorry to Edward.
No, I'm not doing that technically. I'm not doing it. I think if push comes to shove, I'm gonna. Are you gonna go back home and I'll go up the road to that other place because that was the cheapest in Naga.
Come with you.
That was the cheapest in Naga, and just have a look. And then even if they won't build it, see how much it is. See what the cheapest karaoke is. I know it's going to be the smaller one as well, isn't it? Eh? Do you want me to carry him now?
Sure. It's not heavy than the Sophia.
Okay then, babe. Are you sure?
Yeah.
Alright. Why is your eyes red?
Huh?
Why is your eyes red?
What?
Nothing. I said you're Maganda.
What?
Yes. Right, here she comes, look. She's just been to this karaoke place. We've just walked from centre over here. I thought it was much closer than what it actually is. We're nearly at the roundabout. And this little madam, he weighs a ton. I don't know how Mel carries him when I'm taking the video. So it looks like it's a non-starter with a karaoke. I've made a bit of a boo-boo. But hey ho. Mel's not very happy because she was hoping to get the karaoke. But she's not making it too obvious to me. But I know she's upset. But what I'm thinking of doing is just buying another couple of speakers and just put it all back together again. We'll have to get something else to put it on though. but looks like it'll probably be cheaper than getting a karaoke. I know the last time I called in here, these were a lot cheaper than what they are in Central. But we'll have to see what she says. She's coming back now, she turned around. I'll ask her. See how upset she is. So, have we walked 100 miles for nothing, babe?
No, they're not symbol.
They're not what?
Symbol the Karaoke. But it's cheaper here. It's 20,000 the big.
The big one?
22.
22.
The small is 20. One set. It's a platinum.
So
2 microphone.
So there we go. We're doing it the way I was going to do it. We're nearly at the price of.
Yeah, exactly. And then I asked Ate if like for example if I'm gonna buy 2 video again I have a discount. And she said I'm gonna ask my boss. Are you planning to buy na now? Because I'm gonna ask my boss. No. I'm gonna ask my mom first. Like that. So okay, mom, you can come back na lang if you want to buy. Because I'm gonna ask my boss if you can get a discount.
So it's turned out cheaper here than in Centro.
The Centro, it's 28.
28,000, yeah.
And the small is 25.
Yeah.
But here it's 20. The
small and
the big
22 is the big.
Yeah, it's one set, 2 microphones.
Do you know what, Mal? We'll just save for a couple of months.
Yeah.
Because we've not used that. We won't use the karaoke in the house as much as we'll use that. You're not very happy, are you?
Yeah, of course. It's alright.
Yeah. That's what she always does, you see. She gets upset about something.
It's not the end of the world, huh?
It's not the end of the world, no, babe. No. Well, all right. Just till you do that.
It's right now.
Huh?
It's right. It's far.
It's far. Well, we can get the jeepney, but I was going to take him to Jollibee.
He sleep. You can go sit through.
All right then, babe. So that's it, guys. Karaoke fail.
It's going to take you by new one that is symbol.
Yeah. It's
ridiculous.
Yeah, it's.
My God.
I don't know how they think they can get away with this extortionate labour. I mean, the best wage here for somebody that constructs these karaokes, that's working for a company, is about 500, maybe 600 pesos per day. And they want to charge thousands in labour. I mean, come on, give me a break. So that's what we're going to do, babe.
Yeah.
I'll get you the karaoke. Might take a couple of months. And then if the CD player goes on it, we've got a spare, haven't we?
Yeah.
And they always tend to sound better than the home karaoke's, don't they, as well?
Yeah.
So that's it, guys. I'm going to wrap it up because I'm sure you're a bit bored with the karaoke video.
Okay, just please hit the like button and please subscribe and share our video.
And visit our website at BritainThePhilippines.com. Compliments of Christopher Monk. We do appreciate it. It's too full, babe. It's too full. Are you gonna are you gonna hang on the back? Joking.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way, yeah. Birds jumping and I hear my name, grasping into a life. Life is happy.